My name is Mike. Whether you're moving from job site to job site or within one building, the long-lasting, battery-operated, portable BMP41 label printer can handle all your telecom identification needs. This printer was designed with you in mind. Operate with one hand, two hands, or no hands at all. Use it any way you want. And if it falls, no worries, it still works. The QWERTY keyboard and large backlit display make label printing a snap. Look how quickly you can create a patch panel label. Drop in the Brady all-in-one label cartridge with Smart Cell technology, and your label is automatically set up. First, select Patch Panel from the Label Type menu and choose Serialize. Enter your start and end values, press Print, and you're done. Look how the label is held in place until you're ready for it. The BMP41 uses both continuous and die-cut labels to identify whatever you need. Die-cut labels help you stay organized and efficient. With other label printers, you can only use continuous tape. This printer does it all. You're one and done. For more information, check out our websites.